How to repair LED screen power supply. Open the back box. Take a photo and save it for later wiring. Unscrew the wire screws and loosen the wires. Unscrew the screws holding the power supply. Remove the faulty power supply. Loosen the screws on back panel. Remove the back panel. Replace with a new power supply. Reinstall the back panel. Align the position and secure the screws. Tighten screws holding the power supply. Place the wires and secure the screws. Organize the wires. Close the back box and lock the buckle. Power supply repair completed.